Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2021 Grand Design Transcend XPLOR 240ML. Brand new floor plan, new graphics on the exterior, new interior setup, rear bathroom, one slide out, queen bed up front. Great new lightweight floor plan. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, do me a favor, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a quick clip with the slide out in so you can see what you do and don't have access to when you're traveling. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. Also remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, that bell. The bell will give you a notification every time I put something else on, so you'll be the first one to see new floor plans, new decors, new options like this one. So make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, as you enter in, bedroom up front, your slide out, kitchen in the back. Nice brand new floor plan. We'll start in the back kitchen. So kind of nice out of the way. Good countertop space. Large stainless steel sink. Extended spray head. Nice deep storage. Receptacles. Lots of windows. Drawers, nice spot for maybe for a trash can. Your bathroom, close to the kitchen, but you do have a solid door that will close it off. Good room around the toilet. Squared off shower. Good retractable shower door / curtain. Talking about headroom, I'm 6'5". I am in the skylight, but just over the rail, still kind of eye level with the shower head. So I'm 6'5". 6'6" is probably too much. Good storage, vanity, exhaust fan. Sticking with the kitchen area. Again, good deep countertop space around the flush mount cover. Nice oven with LED lights. Pots and pans drawer. Range exhaust. Microwave. Again, deep storage. Now you are looking at a Furrion 12 volt, 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Storage down low, good spot for your pet bowls. A little bit more storage as you come in the door with deep drawers and storage area. You can remove this shelf if you want more hanging. Motion sensor lighting when you come in the door, and your convenience area, so your lights, hot water heater, check all your holding tanks, slide and awning controls, cubby hole for shoes as you come in, your booth dinette does make into a bed. I'll show you a setup and breakdown of that. All right guys, real quick setup and breakdown of the booth dinette. Pretty standard setup, 2 pedestals. You can pull those loose. You can store the pedestals. You can store the pedestals down low. There is a lip that the table sits on. Then drop your cushions down. And you're all set up, ready to sleep. As for setting it back up, You do have the optional fabric on one side, smooth vinyl on the other. Lift the table up. The table in the down position is normally the best way to travel, just so it's no chance of it tipping over. Put those legs back in place. And you're all set back up. Storage underneath. Your TV is on a swivel arm so you can see it from the kitchen, but you are seated directly across from it on the theater seats. Theater seats that do recline and have storage. Nice lighting, nice blackout shades. Back to the TV area. I mentioned on the swivel arm, Jensen AM/FM CD DVD player. Bluetooth, sync your phone to it. So nice setup there. Again, blackout shades. The windows do open so you get good cross breeze. Built-in speakers. Ducted AC. Another exhaust fan in the kitchen area. Bedroom area, you do again have a solid door closing off the bedroom. So for good privacy, if you got people over, you've got that. Your thermostat. Your queen walk around bed. Good storage underneath. Shocks that hold it up for you. Receptacles on both sides. Little cubby holes, charging area. Good storage. Overhead as well. Nice reading light. You do have prep for a TV in the bedroom. And another skylight. Brand new 2021 Grand Design Transcend XPLOR 240 ml. We'll work our way to the outside and we'll take a look out there. Alright, moving our way to the outside. Nice black front, Transcend logo. Power tongue jack. Nice large model number right on the tongue there. Two 20-pound LP bottles with a cover. Spot for 2 batteries, but it will come with 1. This one's already sold, so they've set up the weight distribution hitch, saddles. Pass-through storage, again, magnetic latches. 2 latches in addition to the lock. Gives you a nice secure location, keeps that door long lasting so it doesn't get a warp or develop leaks. There's the hitch on the other side. You got motion sensor lighting. You got your docking area with your water hookup, battery disconnect, cable, satellite hookups, all in one area. We are looking at a dry weight of 6,374 pounds. Nice deep slide out. Moving our way down the back, you see the exhaust for the range. Black tank flush. We are looking at a 30 amp service. All 4-corner manual stabilizer jacks. Check down in the description. I'll show you a quick video link for maintenance and setup of those. Black and gray tank hookups. Factory installed ladder. Taking a look at the roof. You see your air conditioner, roof vents, skylight over the shower, built-in solar panel, TV antenna, and the top of your slide out. You are prepped for a backup camera, spare tire on the bumper. On the door side, you've got full length power awning, outside speakers. You've got an LED light, large assist handle. You do have hookup for an outside TV. Your step above entry steps, all the way to the ground, very secure. They do fold right up into the camper. Last year's model, you had to remove a pin for locking. Now it's got a push lock, and you can adjust them with just touch of a button. Friction hinge door stays exactly where you leave it. Nice black rims. Again, large assist handle, lots of large windows. On the other side of your pass-through storage, again, there's the hitch that will be going on here when the customer picks up tomorrow. So brand new 2021 Grand Design Transcend XPLOR 240ML. All right, guys, as promised, slide out in. You got full access to walk to the back, to get in the bathroom, to get in the refrigerator, to get in the bedroom. So you got a nice hallway when the slide is in for easy access.